What's going on, everyone? Today we are doing something super special that we just got an email for a couple weeks ago, and we actually had never heard of this before, and they asked us if we would be willing to try it, and so we thought, what the heck, why not?
This is going to be awesome. Today we are doing an unboxing from Magic at Your Door.
So if you don't know what Magic at Your Door is, because we didn't know either, it's actually this premium, Cadillac type of service where they have a huge form that you fill out, and you basically kind of put in there the things that you're interested in, things that you're not interested in, and this has all kinds of stuff to do with Disney. So Magic at Your Door is basically a Disney kind of box that they send you, and there's a bunch of questions. You fill it out.
It's basically filling out your preferences of what kind of things you like when you go to the parks, what your favorite characters are, your favorite colors, all those sorts of things.
But what's really nice too is that they give you the option to add things that you're not very fond of or that you don't like, so that when they send this box to you, because it is a customized box, it doesn't include anything that you don't like, which is really nice. You don't really have that option with other subscription box services. So in the box, we've got a little flyer that says, "We hope that you love these magical Disney products that were selected specifically for you. Be sure to explore every nook and cranny of your box, including the insides of each item, as you never know where more Disney magic might be hiding." So, very cool. So you can create your own magic box. You can now select from 200 product options to curate your own perfect magic box and Magic at Your Door. Oh, and another thing that's really cool is that you can also join their Facebook group and request specific items for your magic box. So I think maybe if you know that there is something that's being released at the parks or whatever, you can request that in the group, and hopefully you might get it in your box.
So we've got this nice little certificate that it comes with, and it says, "Welcome to the Ohana of Magic at Your Door." And this month, because it's March, he's like a little leprechaun there. There's some Mickeys up in there with the 4-leaf clovers. And it has our little name on it, the WDW Couple.
Oh boy, let's see what's inside of this box.
We gotta get through the confetti first here. All right, I'll open this first. Little bag here. It's a Mallanna Pin. We actually don't have any Mallanna Pins, I don't think. That's awesome. It's cute.
Oh, check this out. It looks like they threw a hat in there for me. That's awesome.
That's a nice hat.
It's like a nice, golf hat.
Yeah, it's the Disney golf hat.
Dang. Very nice. That is crazy.
So one thing that seems to be really nice about these boxes is they're basically jam-packed full. There's really no space in there at all. And this is one of the interchangeable bows for the mini ears. And it's a Haunted Mansion one. It's got a little Madame Leota here in the middle. And then it's like the Haunted Mansion wallpaper is the bow. I like this.
Let's see. We also have a box of Zoom Zooms.
Oh!
Oh wow, these are cool. These are, who are they? Donald Duck and Daisy Duck with they're just dressed a little bit differently, like a Scottish.
Yeah, they are. He's got one of those little hats on.
Oh, yeah, no, not Scottish. It says right here. It's from Ireland. That's the flag.
Oh.
That's cool. I've never even seen those before.
I haven't seen these either. These are cute. I like Tsum Tsums. So if you don't know, I love Disney blankets and throws. So this is perfect. This is the aliens.
Very cool.
On a blanket. I like it. It's nice and soft. It's like a throw.
Because we just need more blankets around here.
Okay, you don't see any of our blankets in here, but we have so many blankets out on the couch.
I have to fold them up and put them in their little separate box thing.
They have a chest.
Very cool. That's awesome. So the next thing that we have is a Statuette of Mickey from China. So one thing that we did in our preferences of what we wanted was said that one of the favorite pavilions of ours is the China Pavilion.
Oh yeah, we did say that.
So this is the Disney Traditions, designed by Jim Shore from UNESCO.
My Graham loves these things.
And I don't know if you can actually get these in the park, or this one specifically in the park. Oh, very cool.
Oh, that is cute.
That is really cute. That's a great little decoration. It has like a little tag on it. It just tells you Disney Traditions combines the magic of Disney with the festive artistry of Jim Shore's Heartwood Creek, creating a new collection celebrating the spirited moments and cherished memories. Very cool. That's really nice.
Yeah, my gram has a million of these things. They're awesome. And they do sell these in the parks because I remember we were at Wilderness Lodge and they have the totem pole of the characters in one of these little things. It was super cute.
That's very awesome. And his little thing has like little Mickeys on it. That's cool.
Yeah, his little jacket.
Wow.
Right there.
There we go. Well, very cool. So we got, I don't know, we got like a handful of things, 5 things, 6 things, several things.
Yeah.
In a box. When it's really cool just because you can kind of create your own preferences and pick what you want.
And then it's still kind of a surprise, but to the things that you like, which is awesome.
Yeah. Definitely not like something that you want to open up a box and like try food and none of the stuff's actually good. So that was a joke just because we tried a little delivery service type of deal for snacks that were Asian themed. Didn't go very well.
Some of them weren't too bad. But anyway.
They were okay. Anyways, that is Magic at Your Door.
You can either do this as a monthly subscription or you can do it as a one-time box. This could actually be a pretty cool birthday gift for somebody, I would think. And this is also something that would be really awesome to have if you don't live local to the parks, getting a little monthly surprise from Disney World right to your door.
I think it's also just like a great fix for if it's been a while, you haven't been back to the parks, maybe, you know, you only go every year, that 6-month marker, you know, kind of in between. Get one of these. It'll definitely lighten your spirits or brighten your spirits or however the heck that saying's supposed to go. And I think you definitely enjoy it. We definitely enjoyed ours.
Oh yeah, this is so cool. I love getting anything that's like a surprise. So this was really cool. Because, I mean, we weren't expecting anything that was going to be in it. We filled out our preferences and that was basically it.
No idea. So we'll put a link down in the description below so that you can also check out Magic at Your Door.